Everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you all a very effective cream. This is a multivitamin cream. It is something which is used for all skin related problems. It has anti-aging benefits. It helps to give you a clear skin. It helps to reduce open pores. It helps to tighten, brighten the skin, give you a natural glow on your skin. So basically it is like a skin repair treatment, the cream that we are going to be making today. So we'll quickly start with the making of the cream. Basic cream formulation, as always, will be shared in the description box. For those who would like to learn these advanced formulations that we make, we cover all these during our workshops. So y'all can contact with me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. Here I have both my phases. This is my water phase. In my water phase, I have taken my distilled water. I have used a little bit of glycerin, and I have taken a blend of different vitamins, which is very, very good for the skin. I have used a little bit DL panthenol. I have used niacinamide. I have used a little bit of D-biotin and many other vitamins which are very, very good for the skin repair. Here I have my oil phase. I have my waxes. I have my thickeners. I have a little bit of oil and butter, which is very, very nourishing, conditioning for our skin. So we are going to go ahead and quickly heat both the phases. Okay, so we've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now we'll quickly go ahead and add our water phase into the oil phase, and we'll give it a blend. So I have gone ahead and blended both the phases, and here we're just going to wait now till this thickens well, because right now the solution is very hot. So once this forms into a nice cream consistency, I will show you how it looks. Okay, so we've waited for a while now till the time the solution could cool down, and now you all can see this has thickened and it has a lovely lightweight cream consistency. This will thicken a little more after 24 hours into a little more thicker cream consistency. We'll quickly go ahead and add our preservative to this, and we'll give it a nice mix. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed the preservative here, and I will show you how lightweight the cream feels on the skin. It just blends into your skin so easily and leaves a very, very lightweight feel on the skin. Now the color of this has changed a little. If you all can see, it's become a little off-white. That's because after the solution cooled, I just added a little bit of retinol to this for added benefits on the skin. So that's the reason why it has become a little off-white color. So friends, if you like what I share with you all, if you want me to share more such videos with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.